G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make no-bake chocolate energy bites. These are really yummy, really simple, nice and healthy. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a large mixing bowl, put in 1/4 cup of butter. Make sure that it's melted or softened. Then add between 3 and 4 tablespoons of honey. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add 1 1/2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And mix this together. Now once you've done that, if you want it to just be not quite as thick, put 1 or 2 tablespoons of warm water in. And then just stir that through. Now add 1/2 cup of old-fashioned raw oats, just under 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut, 1/4 cup of flax seeds, and 1/4 cup of chocolate chips or chocolate bits. Mix this together as best you can, and then add a tablespoon or 2 of water if you feel it needs to be a bit runnier. Put this in the fridge and let it set. Well, I hope you like these. Ooh, yeah. I'm going to have a red one. So see, it holds itself together. That was so yummy. I'll see you next time for my next meal.